Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. That could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
I got a theory about that. I've been around the country quite a lot, as you know, and I ask questions and I discuss things with people. And I think it's possible. Now, this is just a theory. From what I gathered, they all liked Hal very much, and they like the idea of the show, but the public is very funny. They may not know exactly why they reject something, but there's always a good reason. And as I discussed the thing with people, occasionally I got a hint that here was a senator, a U.S. senator, so, quote, he is also a politician. And he was always really sort of the perfect man in the perfect position, you know, with the perfect attitude. And I think that the American people don't quite have that conception of politicians. And I think subconsciously they said this is not quite, you know, quite so. So that is my theory, which is, I don't think it has anything.
Now we found all the stuff we need. Okay, Cece, we've got the red checker, the purple sock, but how are we going to use all this stuff in our do everything fast before you run out of time game? It's a domino sock sack race. Go Domino General! Hurry, Cece! Right. A tambourine is round, like a drum, but flatter, with little jingly things around the edge. A jingle! Look, Cece, it's the tambourine! We found it! Whoop! We found it! Whoop! We found it! Whoop! We found it! How about you? We found it all right. It's ventrilla. Never mind. Let's see. We've got just one thing left to find, Cece. Wait, Cece. What did you say? Hold it, Cece.
You may not touch my friendly water boy. Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right for a bath. I was fooling. Uh-oh. Oh. Do not worry. Watch. Yes, master.